will be capable of producing 400,000 cars a year when we implement phase 4 with our 6-year plan.
When is phase 4 coming?
Mid-2020s.
Mid-2020. So it's a 6-year plan.
Yeah.
Costs a lot of money to do that. We had Yasser Al-Rumayyan on from the PIF last week discussing, of course, in part their investment, one of your significant holders. Do you have access to capital that you need in order to actually pull off all those phases?
We do indeed, and the Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia have been great strategic partners. This is much more than a financial arrangement. This is a long-term strategic partnership. You're absolutely right. This is a capital-intensive business, but we've taken the approach we need to be vertically integrated. There is no substitute for having in-house manufacturing and an in-house retail experience. So we're having our manufacturing in-house and all our retail studios, and we've already opened 6 of those right across the US.
Peter, Jim Cramer, as we talk, I'm exploring the idea of reserving with a credit card the Air Dream Edition, $161,000. Why am I doing that? Because it's available summer of 2021. How many other people are reserving their various Lucid Airs right now? And can you give me a sense of the demand each day?
Well, it's overwhelming, Jim, and I'm really glad you have impeccable taste, sir. We have a bulging order book. It's growing daily as people are becoming much more aware of us as a company, as a brand. We were pretty silent. We were in almost stealth mode until our global reveal just last September. I like the car to do the talking, and you know, it's going to be an amazing product when it comes out this year.
But what do we do? I know you work with Elon Musk. You've got a cordial relationship with him. This is 517 miles projected range, 800 horsepower. Obviously, that's 0 to 60. I don't know, in 2 seconds. What makes me want to pay this much more than a Tesla? Everybody loves Tesla, don't they? I mean, high consumer satisfaction, that kind of thing.
You're absolutely right. I mean, Tesla's done an amazing job, and that's what's placed it in its preeminent position. But Tesla recognizes this is a technology play. This is a technology race. That's why Tesla enjoys such a high market cap. And I'm really disappointed that the traditional auto industry hasn't really taken up that baton and really compete with Tesla at the top table. Now, our car is competing overtly in the luxury space against the likes of Mercedes-Benz. So I don't really see us as a direct competitor as Tesla in the product. But it is a very valid comparison to compare us with Tesla in terms of our technology. And in a sense, Lucid is a very similar position to where Tesla was 10 years ago. Tesla had the tech. The other entries didn't. And we see today a whole phalanx of startups in the EV space. They don't have the in-house technology. That's what differentiates Lucid. In-house technology, world-class electric vehicle tech.
Right. Well, all right, just give me a quick example of what that means. What is that?
Well, the core metric is efficiency. It's not range per se, because anyone can stuff a whole load of batteries in a car and achieve great range. I could double the size of the battery pack, double the range of the car, couldn't I? And that's pretty dumb. I'd call that dumb range. What really matters, the most telling metric of where any electric car company is today, there's a single metric, and that is efficiency. How far can I go per kilowatt hour? And we can go well over 4 miles per kilowatt hour. This is world-class technology here in the US. Lucid's going to take the tech to the next level. That is our mission.
All right. Well, Peter, if I want to get a sense for how investors view your company, I need look no further than shares of Cciv. That's the symbol for Churchill Capital 4. It's a SPAC. And I'm sure you're aware of the fact that the speculation around it has been that you will merge with it to go public. Is that the case?
Well, you know I can't comment on any such matters. I can neither confirm nor deny any such thing.
Well, let me ask it in a different way, though. Given that we've watched that go up since there was, I think it was originally a Bloomberg report saying you were in talks with them. I mean, if you're at one value in terms of the way you're thinking about the company prior to this, and then you watch this stock triple based on the expectation that you will be merging into it. Does that change your own prospects, or I should say your own view of the value of Lucid right now in the public markets?
Look, I think Lucid value will be truly realized when we've got this kind of production. I say every day that until we've made a production car and we start selling to customers, we haven't achieved a damn thing. And the team back at base is working flat out now to industrialize this car as we transition from primarily an engineering, a tech, an R&D company to a phase of our growth where we become a manufacturing entity.
But are you going to become a public company, either through IPO or a SPAC?
I really cannot comment on that right now, as you know.
Peter, quickly, I think you're dead right about EV. I think the oil companies are thinking this is something that's going to be 2035, a lot of time. Can't you just, honestly, can't this industry double, triple even by 2030? People don't want combustion engines. They don't want them, Peter. That's not the future.
You're so right. You're so right. I couldn't agree more. Absolutely. Electric cars are inherently so superior to their gasoline counterpart. And I want us to be making, lots of cars as soon as possible. We start with a high-end product that defines the brand. And the technology that we're developing for Lucid Air, because we're developing high efficiency, will bring the cost of mass-produced EVs down, because the most expensive component in that car is the battery pack. And if you can go further, go more miles for a given battery size, that's akin to bringing the cost down. And my passion is to be making lots and lots of cars using our advanced technology as soon as possible. It can't happen soon enough.
All right. Well, Peter, we're going to be watching closely as we continue to watch so many of the names that we just had up there that already are public companies, of course, in both making the vehicles and the batteries. Peter Rawlinson, thank you.
Thank you.